welcome back to Simple Vegan Recipes. So today we're gonna switch this up. We're gonna do a baked tofu. Now, I promised my sister Dahlia that I was gonna do this baked tofu this week. So the recipe calls for organic tofu, which is extra firm. We're gonna cut this into cubes and we're gonna add our favorite seasonings. So you can use whatever seasonings that you feel comfortable with. You can use jerk, chili, barbecue, but for this recipe, we're gonna use turmeric, liquid Bragg's amino, onions, garlic, and cilantro. So let's get started cutting this into cubes. Okay, so let's cut this tofu into cubes. Okay, so we're gonna cut all of this and then we're gonna season it with our favorite seasonings. Then we're gonna marinate it for 5 to 6 hours or overnight. Okay, so we're done cutting this into cubes and we're gonna start adding our seasonings in there. Okay, so we're gonna do the onions and the garlic. We're gonna add the cilantro. And we're also gonna add the liquid Bragg's amino. We're gonna add a few drops in there. And we're gonna add the turmeric in there, okay? A few sprinkles of the turmeric. And then we're gonna mix this together. Just give it a good shake. And then we're gonna bake this at 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, okay? Okay, so this is the one that I had sitting in the refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours. It's well marinated. We're gonna lay it on the baking sheet and we're gonna bake it at 370 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, okay? So we do have our marinated tofu on this baking sheet and we're gonna pop this in the oven for 30 minutes. So we're all done. Look how golden brown this tofu looks. The smell of the onions, the garlic, the turmeric. I can't wait to have half of this today. So I encourage you to give this a try and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.